Hey everybody, Jim King out here in Kansas City, Kansas. What we're going to be putting in here, our French drain system that we put in has become pretty famous here locally. People see our videos and they have a problem, so they call us, and that's a situation here where our French drain will work perfect. What we got here at this church, water is infiltrating through the window wells. They're backfilled too high. We're going to lower those on both sides, and we're going to dig a 3x3 trench right in here, right in the middle. As you can see, we've got locates in here. We're going to dig this by hand because I don't want to, break a line, buried cable. We're going to dig a 3x3, 3-foot deep trench, wrap it with Petromat, come in with 1 foot of 2-inch clean rock, run some PVC with some drilled holes, 3/8-inch holes in the side and the top. Run it all the way down there to a field inlet that's existing. That pipe will also be wrapped with Petromat. We'll lay that on top of the 1 foot of 2-inch rock. Throw more 2-inch rock on it until we're about 6 inches from the grade right here, and then we'll wrap that rock with Petromat and take the best dirt out of here and put back on here, seed and mulch it, and we'll be done. So stay tuned as we get started here. Our guys are just now getting here. It's a beautiful Friday morning out here in Kansas City, Kansas. Take a look at that background there. You say Kansas City, Kansas, but this is actually really a lot of country out here. A lot of pretty land. So for all your foundation pairing needs, call us. I believe we are the best in town without a shadow of a doubt. 816-288-4373. Call Matt. www.kingpiers.com. Check us out on our website. You can go to our Facebook page. And last but not least, our YouTube channel is very important to us. We love subscribers. Get in there, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you very much.